Well, hello again. Alright, so I was considering on doing this format with a Corvette building set, but I accidentally deleted some of the footage for it. However, I did manage to salvage some, and I'll be posting it later on my extras channel. Yeah, here's the C8R. Yeah, and in my opinion, it's a really cool build. And so is the older 68 Vette. Yeah, that's Vette with V-E-T-T-E, not V-E-T, by the way. Yeah, really cool set, and of course you get two cars for your money's worth. Yeah, it's quite the bang for your buck. Yeah, it's the newer mid-engined Corvette. Oh, those kids and their mid-engine Corvettes. But the mid-engine Corvette is actually really cool. Alright, so yeah, this of course is going to be a video of two different sets, but they're two Italian cars. Yeah, 76908 Lamborghini Countach and 76906 Ferrari 512M. I'm going to call this duo La Festa Italiano, named after that race in Gran Turismo 4. Yeah, so which one do you pick? Do you pick the Lamborghini Countach, 80s excellence, or the Ferrari 512M, famous Le Mans racer? I'll get them lined out so you can choose for yourself. Clock is ticking.